Hi there, this is Technomniacs, and today I will be helping you to set your custom mp3 sound as your notification sound. So first of all, I'll go to the settings. Sound and notification, default notification ringtone. Okay, these are the default, the inbuilt notifications ringtones. So I cannot, there's no option, there's no such option for from which I can add one. So we need to go to the ES file explorer. Okay, go to the storage, and here you will find a folder named notifications. If you don't have one, just make a new one. So like I'm deleting the notifications folder and creating a new one. So if you have, well and good, and if you don't have one, create like this, new and folder, and you have to accurately name it notifications with correct spellings, otherwise the Android system will not detect it. Now just locate the mp3 sound which you want to set as your notification sound. Okay, the car drive by mp3, this is the, I want this one as my sound ringtone. I'll just play. Okay, now I'll copy this. Go to the notifications folder which we created just now. Paste. Okay. Now let's check again in the settings. Sound and notification. Default notification ringtone. Oh great, car drive-by is now listed in the notification ringtones. I'll click on OK. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.